sound will come and it will be a disturbance for everyone. Srihari, mute your audio, please. Everyone, okay? Okay, children. So some of you already know what do you mean by respiration. It's true. Breathing in and breathe out. Okay, breathing in breathe out is known as respiration. And today we will learn what are the parts of the respiration. How does respiration takes place? Okay. Okay, children. So I just want to show you something. So all of you write now today's date. Everyone can write the today's date first.
Ma'am, where should we write it?
In your lecture note. Okay, because the new chapter. So you can give chapter.
Name.
Yes. Okay, children.
Ma'am, we need to write in rough book.
Yeah, in rough book. You can write it now.
Okay, ma'am.
I am going to pause it.
Ma'am, we have a lecture notebook, ma'am.
Stop share. Then I have to go to desktop.
Ma'am, recording is over.
Yeah, because we cannot show video in recording because it is a video of someone else. So, okay, so you cannot show that. So that's why video I don't record. So you don't see the video in your recorded class. Clear? Now only you will see the video. So when the video is working, I will stop recording. Now I want to explain to you. First one, you can see the entire body, how the respiratory system looks. Okay. After I explain the main parts, when you see video, you will understand better. So that's I just showed you the entire structure of inside. How is our respiratory system? Sarah, please mute it. Sarah, mute it. So we are going to see the parts of a respiratory system. So let me open the thing. So mainly in your textbook, you have to learn only mainly 4 parts. There are so many small parts are there in your respiratory system. But since you are 5th standard kids, in your 6th standard, 1 minute, 5th standard, you have only the small things you need to study, not everything. Okay. So I'll I will share. Wait, let me open first. I want to open it. Then only I can share. Wait for a minute. Without opening, I cannot show you, children. I am opening it. Okay. Have patience with me. Okay, children. So I am coming now. I am going to share you. Okay, I just opened it. Now I want to share. That's it. Okay, wait. Now I will share for you. Okay, children. So this is about our what you saw just now in the video. This is the only some of the part that it is visible to you. Some of the parts, if it is visible to you. Respiratory system. So first definition, what we see, taking in oxygen from the air and giving out carbon dioxide. So we can simply say respiration means breathing and breathe out. Simply locally we can say it's a breathing in. Actually respiration, what you do? So respiration means taking in oxygen from the air and giving out carbon dioxide. Got it? Okay, all of you. So respiration means taking in oxygen from the air and giving out carbon dioxide. Now, this is our, what do you mean by respiratory system? The organ system that helps in respiration. Yes, the organ system that helps in respiration is known as respiratory system. And see, In this picture, you will see so many things. Okay, but in your 5th standard, you may not be studying all the parts. We will only study some main part. Now, this is our external structure of the respiratory system. If you cut open your chest, we will only see these things. Clear? We don't see what is inside. And second picture, what we show, it is our inside part of our chest or part of our respiratory system. There are so many things are there. So actually, for you, you have only 4 major parts. That is what you are going to study.
Nose.
Only these 3 parts. All of you mute it. I'll make you to read. Sri Hari, please mute, dear. So parts of we are mainly going to study only these 4 things. When you see video, you will be wonder, ma'am, these all things are not there in our textbook. It's good. It's okay. Yeah. Some of that things you will be studying in higher classes because it is not easy for you to grasp everything in the respiratory. So slowly we will study. So what you study 5th standard, you come to the 6th standard, little more higher. What are the things you did not study in this 5th standard, you will study in 6th standard. Then 7th standard, it goes on like that. Okay. So video means they won't show you only this many parts. No, they will show all the parts, whatever required. So main of our parts are nose, windpipe, lungs. A pair of lungs means we have 2, left lung and forelung, and elastic diaphragm. Okay. So Nainika, can you read Nainika all these 4 parts of a respiratory system? Read.
Okay, ma'am.
First part.
Nose.
Nose. Second one.
Nose. Windpipe.
Windpipe and bracket. Windpipe. 1 minute, Nainika. In bracket, I have written something new word that is known as trachea. What is that? Trachea. Say the word.
Trachea.
Trachea. So trachea is another word for windpipe. Okay. Continue.
Trachea. A pair of lungs.
Okay.
And
elastic diaphragm. Say the word. Diaphragm. Now all of you unmute it. Everyone together, because we will learn these few new words. Okay. Everyone, what I said you have to repeat. Not together, I will tell you. Okay, I'll tell you.
Write this in lecture note.
I will make you to write. First you learn.
Okay.
So first part, you say the word respiration. Everyone say the word respiration. Second word, what you learn? Respiratory system. Say the word.
Respiratory system.
Respiratory system. Okay. What you call for this? Carbon dioxide. Say the word.
Carbon dioxide.
Oxygen.
Okay. Once again, first word, respiration. Second word, respiratory system. Third word, carbon dioxide. Fourth word, oxygen. Okay. Next, everyone say nose. Second word, windpipe. Next one, trachea. Say windpipe or trachea. Yes. Now next is a pair of lungs. Lungs. Okay. And fourth one is an elastic diaphragm. Okay, now everyone mute it now. Now you can write these parts. Okay, you write now parts of a respiratory system and write the way I have shown you.
Ma'am, can you show the first slide?
First slide I will show you. First, now you write this, okay? Because everyone knows the respiration. Parts
Ma'am,
of
we have to write
respiratory.
this as the note.
Write in the lecture note. Lecture note.
Lecture note.
What I have marked here.
Ma'am,
Only those.
finished.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Write
Ma'am,
the
I
heading.
have a doubt.
Doubt you keep. First, you complete everyone here. Complete it. Let others. Sarah, did you complete writing? Did you complete writing? After completion, you can ask the doubt. Otherwise, you will not complete it. Okay? Ah, who is singing there? I told everyone to mute it now. No more sound.
Ma'am, we should write the parts of respiratory system.
Yes.
Okay.
That's I told you. The way I have written, you write heading, parts of respiratory system. Number 1, nose. Number 2, windpipe. In bracket, you write another word, trachea.
I should write that.
Third is a pair of lungs. Fourth is an elastic diaphragm. Look at the spelling. In your class test also, there will be a spelling question also. So when you learn muscular system, you have to learn the spelling of all that words, what we learn in muscular system. So in your class test, I will be giving you a spelling also. Yes.
Should you write that bracket for trachea?
Yes, you should. You should write.
Ma'am, finished.
Because windpipe has another name, trachea. Windpipe has another name, trachea.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I joined only now. I was having network issue.
Nothing like that. I just told you everyone to copy this parts
Okay,
of
ma'am.
respiratory. You copy that.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you read the fourth one?
An elastic diaphragm. An elastic diaphragm. diaphragm. Tanvi, did you write dear? Okay. Everyone completed?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, my finish.
Okay, finish. Those who finish. Others continue writing. I'll take your attendance by the time. Those are writing right. Others for others, I'll take the attendance. Adidev,
Present, ma'am.
present. Aryan,
Absent, ma'am.
Aditi PS, Aditi
Present,
PS,
ma'am.
Ashwal Krishna, Ashwal Krishna, Avantika,
Present, ma'am.
Sarah, present. Sarah just now went. Okay. Devarsh, absent.
Present. Ma'am,
Present.
present.
Okay. Danvin,
Present.
Dia Viju,
Present, ma'am.
Felix Joshi. Felix absent. Okay, fine. Glenn Biju, present. Haira Fatima, absent. Present. Okay.
Ma'am, she's present.
Okay. Hridvi,
Present, ma'am.
Izan Rasal, present.
Present.
Janvi Prabhu,
Present, ma'am. Present.
okay, fine. Janika Jomi,
Present, ma'am.
Juan Paulson,
Present,
Kirtana,
Kirtana, present, ma'am.
Manchima, Manas,
Manas, present, ma'am.
Manas, Manav, Madhu,
ma'am.
Maria Binu,
Present, ma'am.
Mayuk Esnaya,
Present, ma'am.
Nainika present. Okay,
Present,
Navaneet present. Nasnia present. Nasnia.
Anastia, present.
Niranjan present. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Niranjan, present.
Ojas,
Present, ma'am.
Parvati K present.
Present.
Risa. Okay, Risa present. I can see her. Okay, fine. Next is Rudra Robin.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Okay, fine. Ryan is present. Okay,
Present,
Ryan
ma'am.
is present. Siddhi present. Sri
Present,
Hari
ma'am.
present. Tanvi present. Unnimaya absent, I think so. Correct? Unnimaya absent.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ah.
Absent.
Okay, okay, children. I think you have completed writing. Now look at the picture over there. This is a simple picture to understand only these 4 parts. You can see the nose is here. You can see in the picture the nose. Then nose is connected with the mouth. So we don't speak about mouth because mouth comes under digestive system. We only talk about nose. Okay. Then trachea. The trachea you can see just like a pipe over there with some circles on there. The trachea is the one what we call windpipe. Okay, dear children. And then
Windpipe and foot
and then you can see there are 2 pink color structure over there. In that
lungs.
lungs. So down
Lungs.
part is the lungs. Upper part it is shown bronchial tubes. Okay, bronchial tube means it's a part of our chest where we can breathe in, air is going and all. So while you see the video, you will be able to see this bronchial tubes. In your textbook, bronchial tubes, it is connected to this trachea windpipe. If I just show you the previous picture, look at here, children. This is the internal structure of that. So this is our trachea. Where I am marking that yellow, that is your trachea.
And what is that alveoles?
Alveoles. I'll tell you. Now look at here. This is our respiratory system. When you look at outer, but inside this trachea is cut. So you can see this is our trachea part. And from trachea, can you see two branches like trees are going on over there. So in that, these branches where I am drawing this yellow color, you just listen before talking. Okay. While I draw, this is trachea. You look at the way I draw and you can see there are some branches like a tree. Can you see? This is all everything inside this part. Inside this, all these things is shown here. So this is known as bronchial tubes. Can you see? So all these branches we call it as bronchial tubes. Okay. Now, as we go here it is written right lung, here written left lung. So your left lung will be in your left side, your right lung will be on right side. So what you see, it is on the down part. Down part you can see you have a 2 pair of lungs. And you can see under that there is another picture of a orange color or green pinkish color. That is diaphragm. Diaphragm means everyone under your chest, bring your hands under your chest, everyone. Under your chest, just hold it, everyone. Hold it, everyone. And just breathe in. Take everyone, breathe in. Have you seen something is moving up?
Yeah, ma'am. I did feel something.
Then release. You release.
Yeah.
Breathe out.
Let
Okay.
it become.
Manas, don't take it up. You will. You just slowly. Manav, Madhu. Just don't take it up like that. Okay. Just breathe in. When you breathe in, automatically it will come up. That is our diaphragm. Okay. Elastic
When we
diaphragm.
breathe in,
You don't raise your body. You don't have
when we
to.
breathe in, the thing will come up and we
Yes.
breathe out.
Excuse me,
You don't
ma'am.
have to raise your body. You just hold beneath your chest and then you just feel it when you breathe in. You can see there's something is going inside and tight. That is our diaphragm. And then you release it. You can see this part is coming down. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
And this is what we call rib cage system. In muscular system also you have learned the word rib cage. Okay. So there's a lot of bones are there. So when you breathe in and breathe out,
Protects the lungs.
when you breathe in, breathe out, this is the diaphragm is moving up and down. This is the diaphragm, then is moving up and down. So when you breathe in, breathe out, it will move up and down. So breathe in, one up, breathe out. Okay. So this is the diaphragm. Did you understand that, children? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think today we only learned this much, the parts. So next class, we will have the seminar, and when there is a time, we can continue with our lessons. Okay?
Ma'am, I have a
So 3:40.
Can I ask one doubt?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
I ask.
Only 1 minute. 1 minute without.
Ma'am Hridvi. Ma'am Hridvi. Ma'am Hridvi.
One person at a time.
Ma'am,
One
Hridvi.
person at a time. Hridvi. Others
Ma'am,
mute
I
it.
asked.
Others mute it. Only Hridvi.
Ma'am, you told that the mouth is coming in the digestive system.
Because
But-
we are.
We can breathe.
Yes, we can
mouth,
breathe in, breathe out through mouth, but usually what you do through the nose,
From
correct?
nose.
Yeah. So mouth also open, sometimes air goes. Even our nose, in that also air goes. But to go to the lungs, usually we have to breathe in, breathe out. But the people have a problem. When you get cold and fever, do you remember when you got cold and fever? You cannot breathe through the nose because nose is blocked because of that. So you start taking through your mouth. But every time we don't open the mouth and sit there. No. Sometimes in classes we will say, don't open your mouth and sit. Some fly will go inside. So don't do that. So main part is breathing. Usually mouth we are using for eating food. Clear? Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Sarah.
Sarah. What's
Ma'am,
your
one
doubt?
more.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
my doubt is, does our lungs have same function, or the both have two types of function?
They have same shape, but one will be smaller than other one. That we will come to the next class, okay? When we learn about lungs in detail, we are going to